What's up, guys? All right, today I'm just going to show you where all the elements are to do an oil change on the John Deere 410E backhoe. This is the backhoe right here. You can see I've already gotten the side panel removed. So we're over here on the passenger side, and we're going to do an oil change. If you come underneath, right behind your front tire here, come straight in and look up right there. There's your oil filter. Now you don't have a whole lot of room here, so if you have an oil filter wrench that looks like this, you're gonna need one of these where the handle actually bends down, because if it's just straight, you don't have any turning room up there, and that oil filter is kind of recessed in there. So you need one of these that actually bends down to put that in there, and kind of you'll be able to grip it because this handle will hang down. And once you have the oil filter off, this is what was on there. This is Napa 7243. And then right below it is your pan, and that's your bolt right there to drain your oil. Now be careful when you take this out. It is going to come out pretty fast. And I would definitely have two of these pans ready, depending on how deep your pan is, because these will fill up really quick at the amount of oil that's in here and at the pace that it comes out. 15/16 socket. You'll turn it to the left. There we go. Now this thing, especially if it's warmed up and that oil is thinned out, it's going to come out pretty good. We want to have our second pan nearby in case this thing fills up. Oh, there we go, all over my hands. It comes out pretty fast, and you can see this bucket is filling quick. So, and then coming back up here with your side panel off, your dipstick is right here, and this is where you're going to fill your oil. It's right back behind your alternator here. Again, you're on your passenger side of the loader. And oil that I use in this, I mean, you could get away with a 10W30, especially in the winter months, but 15W40 I found is pretty good for an all-season oil, and it's pretty much what these recommend. So hopefully this tip helps in case you're looking for the oil filter and whatnot. And if it does, hit subscribe below, guys. Give me a thumbs up. I'll see you next time.